Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Highway 2000 North-South leg. This is the road that takes you from Kingston to Ocho Rios. Now it was announced recently that this road is going to be expanded. So it's going to go from Ocho Rios to Trelawny, and it's going to be, the new section will also be a toll road. So this highway is a part of the toll road system in Jamaica. You have Highway 2000 north-south leg that takes us to the north coast, and you have Highway 2000 east-west leg that takes you on the south coast. Now, the east-west leg of Highway 2000, which is also a toll road, is going to be expanded to St. Elizabeth. They're actually working on that section now. And then it's also going to be expanded from St. Elizabeth to Negril. And the north-south leg of the highway is going to go from Ocho Rios to Trelawny. And although they haven't announced it yet, I'm sure that highway is going to be extended to Montego Bay one day. As it wouldn't make sense to have the highway end in Trelawny when all roads in the west lead to Montego Bay. So they haven't announced a start date for the extension from Ocho Rios to Trelawny yet. But these toll roads in Jamaica, they make a lot of money. They pay for themselves. So I'm not surprised that they're expanding these toll roads. And I'm sure the commuting public will be happy for these new toll roads. Now, there's another highway on the north coast that goes from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay, and that's a northern coastal highway. It actually goes from Port Antonio to Negril. But the busiest section is a section from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay. And they had announced that they were going to be expanding that road to 4 lanes and also putting in bypasses. Bypasses for Discovery Bay and a bypass for Discovery Bay and one for Runaway Bay. Now we have to ask a question. Will those two bypasses be a part of the toll road, or will they be a part of the Northern Coastal Highway? Now, the reason why it's important is because the Northern Coastal Highway is free to use. You don't have to pay a toll to use that road. But the highway that they're building to Trelawny, the toll road, you'd have to pay to use. So I can't imagine them having those two bypasses and they're not a part of the highway. And another thing that's very interesting is when they announced the expansion of the Northern Coastal Highway, NROC was put in charge of it. Now NROC is in charge of the toll roads. So it also makes you think, were those bypasses always intended to be a part of the toll road? And nothing has been confirmed, nothing has been put out officially. All they've said is the Northern Coastal Highway expansion project was to expand the road from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay to 4 lanes and put in 2 bypasses. I think it's like that's what was officially said. And then late 2023, it was said that they're going to be extending the toll road from Ocho Rios to Trelawny. So I can't imagine you having 2 highways, one that's free and one that's a toll road. So I'm asking you guys, do you think those 2 bypasses for Runaway Bay and Discovery Bay will be a part of the toll road, or do you think they will stay and be a part of the Northern Coastal Highway? Alright, we're now exiting in Angels, and we're going to give you a tour of the Bogwall Gorge. So we're now heading towards the Boardwalk Gorge. Alright guys, so leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.